What's up guys, Cheaper Gary here. So if you haven't seen my video of me installing the front fenders from MetalCloak, I'll put the link somewhere in the top like that people always do. 20 people saw it, so probably haven't seen it. So today we're going to be installing the rear fenders to match from MetalCloak. Should be a lot easier than the front ones. It sent me a free calendar with this order. That's pretty cool. Hang that up. MetalCloak parts are only made to work with each other because that's the way their tolerances are. So there's going to be a gap. What I'm noticing is there's probably going to be a gap right here between this base plate and this EAG skid plate here, because if you buy the MetalCloak armor, it's supposed to go together perfectly. So I didn't do that because I didn't know at the time. My tolerances aren't going to be perfect, but figure it out. I'm going to start out by drilling these stock holes to 3/8, and then because I don't have clamps, and you need clamps to cinch it up there, so hold on to your butts. So like I was saying about the clearances not lining up, I'm gonna have a gap here now. Right there, the base plate can't lay flush because this EAG skid plate's in the way. I do have a grinder. Could mark it and grind it off, but then I feel like it looks shittier than it does now. I'm just gonna leave it as it is for now. Once I get the rail system put on, you probably wouldn't even notice. I mean, I don't think a normal person would notice that, but some Jeep enthusiast might. Now the holes are drilled, now we're gonna start installing the plate. I don't have my little helper with me today. She's inside the house because she's part of the family now. I need to figure out why my camera doesn't record non-stop. It shuts itself off. I think it's some kind of temperature setting or something in there. Okay, so I recommend if you're gonna buy these that you buy the whole kit and you don't Franken Jeep like I just did, because the tolerances aren't good at all when they use trying to pair aftermarket components together. Because looking back on this now, I would have just bought the whole set. Whole MetalCloak set. Can't tell there's a gap here, but I can. Base plate mounted. Now for the fender rail. Then you have these base plates on the inside, these two longer bolts attached to. And he sees, does whatever and he sees does. Well, you're going home. Well guys, this side's done. Just got to do everything I just did on this side on the other side. This one actually goes flush, but there's a tiny gap right here. So I guess when I put these on, these skid plates on, I put them in different spots. So, but yeah, see the clearances still don't line up exactly because of different brands. So again, I recommend buying the whole set, steps and all for MetalCloak if you're gonna, because the clearances just don't line up. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the install of the MetalCloak overline rear fenders. I really don't know what else I'm going to do to the Jeep. I'll have to think about something else to do. Pretty much did everything. Maybe it's time to just buy another one and start over. Well, subscribe if you want to and don't if you don't. Come back now.